I think what's important to me is the feeling of connection that I have with other Jews wherever they are, whoever they are. And a sense of being part of a continuum of history that goes way, way back. With all its ups and downs, irregularities, perversions, conversions, and all of that, still has something important to say to the world. If I weren't born Jewish, I would want to be Jewish. It's so much more interesting because if you're not Jewish, there aren't so many things that you really have to think about, worry about, get yourself involved with. And it's just so much richer to have these concerns and involvements. Not being Jewish, you don't have so many things that you have to think about, worry about, get involved with. And that being Jewish, I feel that I have to be involved with the world. I have to be concerned about all kinds of things, that my life is richer as a result, more complicated, maybe, more upsetting at sometimes. But there's a feeling of connectedness that's hard to describe, but that's very fully felt.